also the rice bag. Vegetable. Hi guys, welcome to Sunshine Foods. Here we want to just show you something that's going on, something interesting. We're actually in China, in a city called Guangzhou. And part of what we'd like to share with you is our travels, our journeys. But underneath our journey, we have what we call Kawa Travels, where we guide you on the different ways of traveling. But with Sunshine Foods, we normally show you what we are cooking and how we go about them. So because we're in this place, Guangzhou in China, the accommodation we got is a little kitchenette-based apartment. And so what they've given us is we can have like a cooker, and then the rest are just mostly storage. But unfortunately, they did not provide anything else. You know, like typical accommodation they will have when you stay in a self-catering apartment. They provide everything: plates, kitchen things, you know, lots of pots and pans and plates and all of that. This didn't have that. So, but you can ask them for basic things to cook with, and that's what they've done with us. So they've given us these two frying pans. We know them as frying pans. But each time we said to them to give us pots, this is what they kept bringing to us. So we have the frying pans, and the rest are just these few plates that you can see. And we've gone to the shop. Luckily, we found a nice shop that sells, you know, food stuff. And so we got ourselves a bag of rice, and so you can see the rest of the things. That's fish we found, and then tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, and pepper that I'm cutting here. Again, the knife we have is just regular, you know, fork, eating fork. Eating knife. And that is what I'm cutting the peppers with. So there's nothing else. So, you know, this is one of those scenarios where you have to make the best of whatever the situation is. So what we're trying to cook now is just this fish, like a fish sauce. A fish sauce with vegetable and rice. So we just thought we should share with you what we're doing with that. So what we're doing here, we're just steaming the fish. Don't ask me that, is this pepper not too much? No, it's actually not too much. It actually does get hot, but it's not too much because this is fish. And with fish, you want it to be spicy. Otherwise, it doesn't taste that good. So what we've done, we put some, what we found sea salt. So we'll put some salt in there. We'll put some spices. Let me show you the spices that we got to go in there. Something like that. There's the chicken spice and there's the fish spice. So we'll put that in there. And then we also saw something interesting in this one. It's a bit like garlic and ginger in there. So we've added that in there. I think our heater's gone off. So we added that there. So now I'm going to cut the tomatoes. I'll put like two big tomatoes in there, and then I'll allow it to just season, and I'll show you what happens next. So this is our room, our little apartment. Well, really nice, really comfortable, fully air conditioned, with our little kitchen. So, you know, instead of just having just a basic hotel room, you have like a home in a hotel. So that's really done it well for us. We're really happy we chose this place. And you can cook your food to your taste without having to eat what you don't want to eat or what you don't know. China is one of those countries where you have to be careful what you eat. Because sometimes clearly they don't write them in English, so you don't know what you're eating. I mean, it's good, okay, for them because they know what it is, but you don't know what it is. You may have allergic reaction to them. You may not. It may be something you don't normally eat. So when you have a little place like that to cook, you buy your food, you cook, and you know what you're eating. So that's the beauty. So this is our completed sauce. Look at how beautiful this looks. And I'm tasting it. That's really nice. So what we did was we just added a hint of oil to it so it doesn't burn and help to keep it intact. This is really nice, simple and straight to the point. So that's our finished look, and you can see that even though the plate is not big, it still was able to contain the fish and give it this really beautiful look. Okay, so this is the vegetable we're trying to steam. It's just like a little bit of a stir fry, steamy kind of thing going on here. So what I've done, as we took the sauce out, the fish out, we left some sauce behind, and we're now introducing the vegetable into it, just to stir it and steam it at the same time. Now what we had in that pot was just the sauce from the fish, and we added a bit more garlic in there. So this will just steam. You can leave it actually, since you're going to be cooking it as well tomorrow. That's our finished vegetable. Look at how green and glossy it looks. So I'm now going to dish it and add it to the rice. That should be enough. Put it here. So that's our simple meal. Look at how beautiful it looks. Now compare this to what you get in the shops. Only recently we went to Hong Kong, and a meal like this we were paying about 350 Hong Kong dollar for it. But when we went shopping, for 2 days we've gone shopping now, it's been 200 RMB each day, so that's about 400 RMB for feeding us for nearly a week. So now you compare that. One time sitting down to eat, most meals are between 100 to 150 RMB, and then you go and shop and cook your own meal, and you can have any type of food you want at really low price. So that's up to you now to start making up your mind what you want to do when you take trips like this. Do you want to just make your own meal, eat what you know, or go into the mall, into the restaurants and eat what they give you at ridiculous prices, and maybe you may not even know what it is? But what we spent with the 400 RMB, we bought so many things: bag of rice, bottle of oil, lots to drink, yogurt, all types of things, and all of that under 400. So we've done a lot of good savings on our meals on this trip. That's it, guys. That's it, friends. We'll see you in the next video when we have something exciting again, just like this, to show you something simple and straight to the point and achieves great results. See you soon.